welcome to another video. This is part 2 of the COVID-19 pages. If you haven't seen the first one, you're behind, but that's okay. You can watch that one after this. Right now we're working on Home Sweet Homeschool page. For the permanent tape, what I'm using is called Crafter's Tape Permanent. I wonder if there's a thing for homeschool. When I searched that, I found this adorable house and the phrase Home Sweet Homeschool. And this is what created the idea for this page. For the house, I changed it to brown, the curtains blue, and the door red. I then glued it down. You should probably do the door first. Let me just get that in there. There we go. For the doorknob, I chose to do the Posca pen and give it a little dot of silver. The next step is make 2 squares. These squares can be any size you want that goes with the pictures that you need. Delete the white stuff because it won't do that. Now that we have all the elements, let's go make it. For intricate cuts, I have found the original setting does not work. It turns out like this, which is not good. What I've done is in the settings, I've gone in and on cardstock for intricate cuts, I've changed it to 150 and do it twice. This makes it so it's a lot more kind to the paper and you get the results that you want, which is not tearing your images, like so. You will want to do this setting for the Home Sweet Homeschool because it's very intricate and the size we have it is small. Now we're going to glue on the house and give it its hearts. I took away some of the hearts because it would have been very tedious to do all of them. So I just picked red. Then for the Home Sweet Homeschool, because we changed the settings, we had no issue with tearing, so we were able to use the paper version instead of having to draw it, which was really nice, and I think it looks so pretty with the way the paper turned out. There's my Home Sweet Homeschool themed COVID-19 page. I think it will look really good with the other page that we made in part 1 that I'll put in the right corner. If you want to, please go watch the other video and please subscribe. If you need to and have the Cricut, there are other scrapbook pages that they have made that you can use for your own situation if mine doesn't match. And I hope everyone continues being healthy. Hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of fun ideas that may keep you happy during this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.